Friendship bracelets are colorful threads braided together. They are fun to make and share. You can give them to your friends to show you care. Making friendship bracelets is a cool way to be creative. You can use different colors and patterns. It's like making your own art. When you give a friendship bracelet, it's a special gift. It tells your friend that you value their friendship. They are sure to love it. Before we start, let's gather everything we need. You can find most of these things around your house or at a craft store. Embroidery floss. This is special thread perfect for bracelets. It comes in tons of colors. Scissors. Ask a grown-up to help you use scissors safely. Tape. We'll use this to keep our threads from moving. Beads. Optional. Beads add a fun and sparkly touch. Once you have everything, find a comfy spot to sit. Now you're ready to start making friendship bracelets. 1. Cut your threads. Choose at least 2 different colors. Cut them longer than your wrist. 2. Line up the threads. Hold them together at the top. 3. Tie a knot. Make a knot at the top, leaving a small loop. 4. Tape the loop down. This will keep your bracelet still while you braid. 5. Time to braid. Take the leftmost thread and cross it over the second thread. Now bring it under that thread and pull it tight. 6. Repeat on the other side. Now take the rightmost thread and do the same thing, crossing it over and under the next thread. 7. Keep braiding. Keep repeating steps 5 and 6, left, then right. You'll see the braid start to form. 8. Tie the end. When your braid is long enough to fit around your wrist, tie another knot to secure it. 9. Trim the extra thread. You did it. You made a friendship bracelet. Section 4. Color fun and cool patterns. Picking colors and patterns is part of the fun. You can use your favorite colors or your friends' favorites. Try using red and pink for Valentine's Day or green and orange for Halloween. You can even use rainbow colors. For different patterns, try braiding more than 3 strands. You can even search online for cool friendship bracelet patterns. Section 5. Friendship bracelets, a worldwide tradition. Did you know that people have been making friendship bracelets for a long time? They started a long time ago. They come from Native American culture. People all over the world make them now. Some people even trade friendship bracelets, just like you trade stickers or toys. It's a fun way to connect with others. Now that you know how to make friendship bracelets, you can share them with all your friends. You can even start a friendship bracelet club and make them together.